Hi, Prosperity Team. It's Dr. Money coming to you from the prosperity corner of the universe where silliness is sacred and nobody's perfect. I am your POP, your professor of prosperity, and I'm here so that all of our lives can pop with prosperity. Well, that was pretty loud pop. I hope it's working. I have a great affirmation. Just kind of the beginning of an affirmation, because you can fill in the blanks with anything you want. I have an abundance of, and then blank. So I have an abundance of ideas. I have an abundance of health. I have an abundance of energy. I have an abundance of friends. I have an abundance of creative ideas. I have an abundance of wisdom. I have an abundance of prosperity. I have an abundance of money. We can go anywhere with that. So you just fill in the blank, you get your affirmation. I have an abundance of, and then just fill that blank in and play with it. Just have fun and write it down and see how many things you can come up with that you have an abundance of, or that you want to have an abundance of, and that you're changing your patterns, your inner patterns and belief systems that were handed down to you from generation to generation, and you're using affirmations to change those belief systems. Now, if you don't feel strong enough to do it for yourself, then call on the power of prosperity to inhabit and embody you and to show you this road of prosperity that lives all around us, but is unperceived unless we have the ability to see it, because you know that we have confirmation bias. If we believe that our lives are full of lack, then what we perceive is lack everywhere we look. If we perceive that our lives are full of abundance, then we see abundance wherever we look. So that's what we want to do, is change that confirmation bias toward what we already believe. If that belief is harming us, if it is limiting us, if it's not for our highest good, we want to move and change that. So ask, I need help on this. I need my mind to be open to prosperity. I need my mind to be open to abundance, and I need help. And so then we surrender. And how do we surrender? Well, whoever you believe in, whether that's your higher self, your higher power, Jesus, Tara the goddess, I mean, whomever it is that you call on. I mean, St. Francis, Kuan Yin, just ask for help and give it a name. And if you don't have anything like that, ask for the spirit of your deceased grandfather or great grandfather, or ask all your ancestors, hey, ancestors, you've passed this down. I don't want it to keep going, so help me out, please. Ask, sit, be quiet with it, turn it over. Ask, sit, be quiet with it, and turn it over. You may need to do that every day, but I am suggesting that you take the affirmation, I have an abundance of, and then fill in the blanks. It's fun. It's fun. So let's take a deep breath. And as we inhale our good. Yes. Yummy, my good. And as we exhale our intention that all other beings receive their good as well. The earth beings, the two-leggeds, the green nation, the trees, the shrubs, the grass, everything receive their good. That we have an interdependent nature that creates harmony and equanimity within all kingdoms that we know of, the plant kingdom, the animal kingdom, the mineral kingdom, the human kingdom, all these, the lizard kingdom, everything, the micro nutrients in the soil, all these things in harmony. So this is Dr. Money, and I want to tell you one more thing, and I hope you'll remember this, and that is that I love you.